Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Govee Floor Lamp to sync with music. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Govee Floor Lamp too, and they want the lighting to emit or match different music sounds. How do you actually go about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Govee Home app, click on Floor Lamp 2, and then afterwards, there's going to be a setting that says music. Now, if you click on music, there's different sound pickup methods. And towards the bottom, you can also have it match with different kind of like scenes of music. So if I click on fusion and then I start talking, the actual Govee floor lamp is going to start responding to my voice. So you can have the sensitivity be adjusted as well, as far as how sensitive you want it to be. And then for the sound pickup method, you can either be from the device or from your mobile phone. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your Govee Floor Lamp 2 to sync with music. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.